against the majority of the judgment of the Court of Appeal decided by the Honorable Justice Waki, Justice Mahandia, and Justice Koome. The gist of our appeal is that these judges stepped out of their mandate and went on to argue issues that really were never before them for argument. What was before the court was very simple. In a very simple way, was it right for the ordering of the registration of this association by the High Court within the NGO Act or outside the NGO Act? That was a simple question. We were not arguing about the constitutionality of sections 162A and C of the Penal Code about homosexuality. We were not arguing whether these people actually are doing legal or illegal actions in engaging in these deviant acts. No, we had before the High Court and the Court of Appeal a very simple issue. If these people had been denied registration, as they argue, should they have proceeded to the High Court or should they have appealed to the minister in charge against our decision? That was the only simple issue. But when a judge now steps out of that, begins to argue a case that is not before them, then we have to appeal. The second issue is that these judges purported to make findings on the validity, the legality of homosexual and lesbian acts when no one had invited them to do that. When you begin saying that, oh, you know, they are changing times, we should embrace and accept these homosexual things, and that indeed, allegedly, that they are not harmful to society, excuse me, no one asked you to do that. You don't even have scientific facts. You're not even a researcher on society for you to engage in that. So you engaged in what is called judicial activism. No one even hired you to do that. You were hired as a judge to engage in the determination of the issues before you. So we are saying the Supreme Court should sanction this and say that this was a wrong decision. And that the decision of the minority, the two judges, the Honorable Justice Musinga and the Honorable Lady Justice Nambuye, should be upheld. That should be actually the decision of the Court of Appeal. And so we are hopeful and very optimistic that that determination will be made.